Hello everyone, welcome to Time Online Classes. Today we'll discuss linear arrangement with ages model puzzle. Now we have 4 questions below this. These questions are based on the following information. How many persons are given? 6 persons only. M, N, O, P, Q and R sitting in a row facing north. Okay, they all are facing north direction, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, each person is of a different age. The following information is known about them. So ages are not given. So while going through the information, we will get the ages. Okay, and persons are facing towards north. How many persons arrangement it is? 6 persons. So let us discuss the basic structure first. So 6 persons arrangement and all of them are facing towards north. If the persons are facing towards north, it is left hand and this will be a right hand. Now with respect to persons, it is left side and it is a right side. Your left will be that person's left and your right will be that person's right. Fine. Now let's discuss the given clues. Now here are the clues. We have this much information, lengthy information. Okay, as we know already, the clues they are going to give in a order. Okay, but when you are going through the order, sometimes it may lead to possibilities, sometimes you may get more number of possibilities. If 1 or 2 possibilities, okay. If it leads to more possibilities, we'll keep it aside and we'll add some more information. Okay, I have copied partial information in the next slide. There we'll discuss. Okay, now we have only some information, part of the information, and the persons are M, N, O, P, Q, R. O sits at the 3rd position from one of the ends. Have they mentioned left hand or right hand? No, it is simply given from 3rd position from one of the ends. It may be 3rd position from the left hand or 3rd position from the right hand. So how many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. But don't go for 2 possibilities because just we have done with a single statement. Okay, now go with the remaining information. What is given? Add some more points. The one who is 14 years old sits 2 places away from O. Again we have the link with O. With respect to O, we have 2 possibilities. Again, the next statement also we have the link with O. So better to take the 2 possibilities and go ahead. Okay, instead of writing all the information side by. Okay. Now, how many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. What is the first one? Let me take O here. Let me take O here. O is 3rd position from the left hand. 3rd from the left hand. Okay, and all the persons are facing towards north. Now, what is the second case? O is 3rd from the right hand. O is 3rd from the right hand. O is 3rd from the right hand. Because O sits 3rd position from one of the ends. 3rd from the left hand, 3rd from the right hand. Okay, fine. What is given? It is left hand. When a persons are facing towards north, left hand and right hand. Your left will be that person's left and your right will be that person's right. Okay, right hand. Now, and with respect to the persons, it is left side and it is right side. Keep this in your mind. What is the next? The one who is 14 years old sits 2 places away from O. What do you mean by 2 places away from O? It could be at left or it could be right side. Means the person who is 14 years old may be second to the left of O or second to the right of O. It is not mentioned. Simply it is given 2 places away O. So the one case. But even before that, 2 places away is nothing but how many gaps will be there? 1 gap. It is a very important point. N places away is nothing but n minus 1 positions between them. N places away is nothing but n minus 1 positions. N places away is equal to n minus 1 gaps between them. Okay. Now 2 places away means how many gaps? 1 gap. So the one case, O is second to the left of the one whose age is 14 years, or the another case is O is second to the right of the one whose age is 14 years. Okay, but means it refers to the first person. The one who is 14 years old does not sit at the end. So here who will not come? The one who is 14 years old. The one who is 14 years old does not sit at the end. The one who is 14 years old does not sit at the end. Okay. But between O and 14, how many gaps will be there? 1 gap, either to the left side or to the right side. Can I take left side in this case? O, 1 gap, 14. Can I take? No, because O does not sit at the end. sorry, the one whose age is 14 years does not sit at the end, so I cannot take to the left side, so I must take it to the right side. So O is here, one gap, so it is the person whose age is 14 years in case 1, so it is valid. Now in this case, O is here. If I take to the right side, this side, right side, one gap 14, can I take? No, because the one whose age is 14 years does not sit at any of the ends, so it cannot be here. So I can take left side, O, one gap, and here will be the person whose age is 14 years. Fine. Okay. Next, what is given? The number of persons sitting to the right of O is the same as the number of persons sitting to the left of the one whose age is twice the age of P. Okay, this kind of statements will get regularly. Okay, left of O is, what is given? Left of O is the same as number of persons, sorry, right of O is the same as the number of persons sitting to the left of the one whose age is twice the age of P. Let's say age of P is X. So there is a someone else whose age is 2x. This person we are talking about. The number of persons sitting to the right of O is the same as the number of persons sitting to the left of the person whose age is twice the age of P is nothing but 2x. So right of O is same as the left of the person whose age is 2x. Okay, which is nothing but corresponding positions from the either ends. We have how many positions? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Corresponding position means first and last. Second from the first, second from the last. Third from the first, third from the last. Now O is already in the third position from the first. So 2x will be, whose age is 2x will be third from the last in case 1. In case 1. What about in case 2? O is third from the last. So the one whose age is 2x is third from the first. Third from the first. Right. Here third from the last. So we have how many possibilities? 2 possibilities, and complete information is utilized, but we don't know who is this person. And we have assumed that the age of P is X. So this person age becomes what? 2x. Fine. So please note down. I'll move to the next slide. There we have, I have copied this same information. We'll go with the remaining information. Fine. So far we are able to fix O, 2x, 14. 14, 2x, O. That's it. Done? Okay. Move to the next. Now, I have copied the same information here. O, 2x, 14, O, 2x, 14. Now, let us go to the next information. What is given? N sits third to the right of P. Third to the right. N sits third right of P. So, N position will be based on whose position? P position. So, first I need to take the P. As you know, P is facing north because all are facing north, right side. So this will be the right side of the persons. And third right means first right, second right, and this will be the third right. So third right is nothing but how many gaps you got? 2 gaps, right? So third right, who will be there? N will be there. N sits third to the right of P, and means we are talking about first person. Who is that person? N. N is not 18 years old. So the age of N is not 18. So where can I fix this P and N in the arrangement? So let's check it once. In case 1 and case 2, check it in both the cases. Okay. Now, let me check with the case 1. Where can I take P and N? P here. P, 1, 2, N. Can I take? Yes. There is no issue in taking this, right? P is here. N is here. Absolutely valid. Now, P and N here. P and N. Yes, I can take. What is wrong in this? P I can take here, 1, 2, and it is what? N. Yes, I can take P here, N here. So how many possibilities? 2 possibilities. P and N here, P and N here. Okay. Now can I take P here? No, it is already wrong. P here, third right, I cannot take. It goes out of the arrangement. So we have how many possibilities? 2 possibilities in case 1. Okay, fine. Now come to case 2. Can I take P here? P, first right, second right, third right, N. No, it is already O. So P cannot be here. Okay. Can I take P here? Let's check it once. P, first right, second right, N. Yes, possible. P is here and N is here. Now can I take the P here? No. Because age of P is how much? x. So it is 2x. So here the person whose age is twice the age of P. So this is not the position of P. So I cannot take here P. No, it is already O. By taking P here second right, third right is not possible. So the only possibility is age of P is 14 years and it is the position of N. But in case 1, how many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. Okay, keep it aside, don't go right. Add some more information, you'll get idea. What is given? The one who is 18 years old does not sit at any of the ends. So 18 does not sit at any of the ends means left hand and right hand. Both the ends we need to consider. So it cannot be 18. The person whose age is 18, and here also the person whose age is not 18. So here also 18 will not come, and here also 18 will not come. Right. Now what else we have? Till here completely utilized, but P and N we have 2 possibilities here. The one who is 40 years old sits third left of the one who is 18 years old. So 40 is third left of 18. So first we need to take the 18, and you know the persons are facing north. So this will be the left side. Okay, third left means how many gaps will be there? 2 gaps. 1 gap and 2 gap. Here will be the person whose age is 40 years. So 40 is third left of 18. First left, second left, third left. Now let us try to freeze it. Where can I fix 40, 18? 40, 1 to 18. Is it possible? Yes, possible. There is nothing wrong in that. 40, 1 to 18. Okay. 40, 1 to 18. Here is the 40 and here is the 18. Absolutely fine. No issue. 40 can I take here? 40, 1 to 18. No, it is already 14. I cannot take 40 here. 40, 1 to 18. No, it is not at the end. No, 40, 1 to 18. No, it goes out of the arrangement. So there is only one possibility. So 40 is here and 18 is here. Are you clear? So what is now? We got 2x as how much? 18. When 2x is 18, x will be equal to how much? 9. So the age of P will be 9. When the age of P is 9, so P cannot be here. So this must be the position of P. So when it is a P, and this will be a 9. Are you clear? When it is P, third right, first right, second right, third right will be N. So the age of N is 14 years. Any confusion? No. Now let us come to this case. I need to freeze 40 and 18. 40, 1 to 18. Is it okay? Yes. Okay. No issue. Can I take 40 here? No. But it is already 14. Can I take 40 here? No. If I take the 40 here, 1 to 18 I should take here. But 18 should not be at the right end. So it cannot be 40. So again we have only one possibility. So 40, 14, P, 2x. In this case we don't know the value of x. But P is 14, right? When P is 14, P is x. So 2x will be how much? 28. I can take 28. Now O, 18. And it is N. Are you clear? So complete information is utilized. Even this is placed, even this is placed. Still both the cases are valid. So here O is fixed. And here it is 18 and it is 14. Fine. Now what else is given? The age of R is 22. R and 22 should be taken together in one position. No, it is not possible. It is already 40. P9, it is O. It is already 18. It is N14. So this is the only possibility. So here R will come and the age of R is how much? 22 years. Now in this case it is 40. It is 14P. It is 28. It is O18 and it is N. So the only possibility is here R22. So in both the cases R is sitting at the right end. Right. R is sitting at the right end. Now what is given next? How many values we obtained? Check it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. Okay. In this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. In both the cases we obtained 5 values. Okay. Now what is given? M is younger than O. Okay. M is younger than O. Who means we are talking regarding whom? O. So O is younger than Q. So O is again younger than Q. M is younger than O. O is younger than Q. Okay. One of the person age is 24. One of the person age is 24. So in this case whom we left? O. So the age of O is 24 years. Fine. Now in this case whom we left? N. So the age of N is 24 years. So all the person's ages are fixed. Now let us fix the persons. Who are the persons we are able to fix so far? P, O, N, R. I need to fix the M and Q. So what is the age of O? 18. Age of O is 18. So M is younger than O is younger than Q. So age of M should be less than 18. Where can I take the M? Either M should be taken 40 or M should be taken 28. M should be taken 28. Can I take? No, because M should be younger than O. 28 or 40 is not younger than 18, not less than 18. So this case is completely ruled out. So case 2 is eliminated. Now come to case 2. In case 2, what is the age of O? 24. Age of O is 24. So M is younger than O. So what we left? 40 and 18. 18. So in this case, M is 18. So M is 18. So 18 is less than 24 and 24 is less than Q. So Q will be 40. So 40. So O is younger than Q and M is younger than O. So it is my final arrangement. So Q40, P9, O24, M18, N14 or 22. So in the exam, you may get little bit higher level of difficulty than this or lower than this. It is the ideal level of difficulty. Okay, moderate level. I hope you are clear with this arrangement, right? Now, let us answer the given questions. Now, I'll give the clear picture of this diagram in the next slide. Don't worry. Now, what is the age of O in years? What is the age of O? 24 years. What is the age of O? 24 years. So, choice 4. If not, you can verify your arrangement. QPO MNR. QPO MNR. Okay. Ages 49, 24, 18, 14, 22. 49, 24, 18, 14, 22. Yes, perfectly matching. So what is the age of O? 24 years. Choice 4. So your answer is choice 4. Next, what is the sum of the ages of M and N? M and N. So 18 plus 14. How much? 32. So choice 1 is my answer. Choice 1. So once you get the final arrangement, answering question will take less time. How many persons sit between P and R? Between P and R, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is in answer. Choice 2. Answer is 3, but choice is 2. So choice 2. Fine. Now, last question. Who sits at the end of the row? It can be Q or it can be R. But who is available in the choices? Q. So my answer is Q. End of the row means it can be left hand or right hand. But options only given left hand. So it is okay. Fine. So choice 3. So choice 3. Okay. So please keep practicing this kind of questions. If you practice higher or moderate level of difficulty, in the exam if they give easy, it will be fine. If it is given difficult, basing on this, you will be able to complete that question also, right? So, but to complete this kind of question, you should be thorough with your basic points. Concepts, basic concepts. Okay. Thank you for joining the session. Have a nice day.